back later. I'll get stronger and then I'll come back. But for now, it's gonna be.
Well, it sounds like you're preaching a self-fulfilling prophecy. You're here one more day.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to Golden Harvest.
Yeah, come on.
I
want to go there.
Come on.
I want to go there.
One more, Bryce.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, come on, dude.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Good.
Nice. Okay, it is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Now what do I do?
I would drop.
Really? I'm just gonna like.
There you go.
No, what? No. No. What are you doing? Go out right. That is not, no.
Thank you.
That is not okay.
I need the motivation.
It's like, it's V0.
I'm gonna super drop.
No sin.
That hold is cool.
No. Go up from there. No. Go up.
Yeah, sure.
Go up from there.
It took me like 5 minutes.
It's a good, the lip is good. The lip is really good.
Thank you. I needed the bullying.
Yeah, you're not, I'm not letting you do that. No.
5 minutes to get down.
Is this the top?
You can, alright.